Halifax County Sheriff's Office says they've only received 5 tips from the public in their investigation of a shooting at a bonfire party just over a week ago. Sierra Webb was shot and killed in the early morning hours of November 13th. The Sheriff's Office says that a group of women were arguing and someone began shooting. Today they announced several charges for people related to that event, but not the shooting itself. Quentin Fennell has been arrested and charged with car theft. Jaquez Davis is also charged with obstructing justice. The Sheriff's Office tells us that statements he gave have delayed their investigation into the murder. Law enforcement are still looking for these 3 folks, Dennis Harvey, Santeria Woodley, and Traquila Holmes. They are charged with selling alcohol without an ABC permit.